Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to redeem Temu Referral rewards instantly. If you have invited friends or used a referral link, don't let those rewards sit unsaid. Here's how to claim them fast. Open your Temu app and on your phone, then tap the U option in the bottom, then tap rewards and referrals, and then tap redeem next to redeem or claim next to the one you want to claim. Whether you want to apply the rewards as shopping credits or withdraw them as if that option is still available. Some rewards can only be used for purchases. Once redeemed, your credits will instantly show up at checkout ready to use on your next order. Privacy tip: only use official Temu referral links and reward pages. Avoid sharing your personal referral link on shady websites that might misuse it. Quick fix: if rewards don't show up, close and reopen the Temu app or pull down on the rewards page to refresh. If they are still missing, contact Temu support through help center to go manually apply them. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.